Assalamu alaikum, beloved scholar, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and good morning to all. In my previous class, I started a new grammar to you named modifiers, and I also elaborately discussed the pre-modifiers item. Okay, now I am going to discuss the another classifications of pre-modifiers, and I discussed some valuable classifications of modifiers, especially the pre-modifiers in my previous class, and I indicated some valuable classifications of modifiers. First one is present participle. Present participle. I am repeating you the previous rules, and who missed my previous class, he will be benefited in my class. A present participle, what's the exact definition of present participle? If you find here principal verb plus ing, then it will be considered that classification of present participle. Okay, and another is adjective. Adjective as pre-modify the noun or pre-modify the word when you will find any particular type of word, and if it will work as adjective before putting any sorts of particular word, then it will be counted as the adjective as pre-modify the noun. And another classification here is the perfect participle. What is the exact definition of perfect participle? If you find here before noun or before any particular word or as adjective or verb, then having having, having plus B3 before any particular type of word, then it will be undoubtedly counted as the definition of perfect participle. Okay, and having plus B3 will be counted as perfect participle. Okay, and another structures here, the adjective, noun adjective, noun adjective. What is the exact definition of noun adjective? Whenever you will find just two noun in united position, and if you want to exclude the previous noun, there will be no problem to indicate a meaningful sentence, then it will be counted as the definition of noun adjective. Okay, and I gave you an example. I bought a TRIAN train ticket. Here train and ticket are two nouns, train and ticket, and if I exclude the train from this sentence, then there will be no problem to indicate a meaningful sentence. And we know well that a complete sentence has three ingredients. First one is subject, another is verb, and other is object. Here we have already found subject. I bought called here the principal verb, and another is a ticket. And if I exclude the train from this line, there will be no problem. Okay, that is why in this sentence we have counted a complete one. That is why I bought a ticket. I bought a ticket. It is called the complete sentence. Why? Because it expresses a meaningful sentence. Have you understood my speech? Okay. and I am going to discuss the another classifications of pre-modifiers item. Then after completing the pre-modifiers items, we will also discuss with you the post modifiers. Okay, and give concentration on my lecture. Here another classifications here, the compounds are multiple words as pre-modify the word or pre-modify the noun. Pre-modifiers. Compounds are multiple words. At first, we have to understand what is compounds and what is multiple words here. Okay, and write down some words, and if you find in a sentence the hyphen related word, then you will count as the compounds or multiple words. Okay, at first we have to know what is hyphen related word. Write down some words: hard working, back dated, old fashioned, out of date, brand new, broad minded, etc. Okay, and here first one is hard working, back dated, old fashioned, out of date, brand new, broad minded, first class, and each word contains hyphen inside the two words. Okay, and hard hyphen working, back hyphen dated, old hyphen fashioned, out of dated, brand hyphen new, broad hyphen minded, first hyphen class. Such types of words are called compounds word. And if you exclude the such types of word from any particular type of sentence, there is no problem. Okay, and I am giving an example by the help of compounds or multiple words. Okay, yesterday he bought a brand new laptop. In this sentence, yesterday he bought a brand new laptop. Here subject has been applied here. The he bought is called the principal verb, a brand new laptop. Here subject is he, verb is bought, a brand new laptop is considered, has been here the object. Okay, and if we want to exclude brand new from the sentence, we will find a complete sentence. Okay, why? Because subject here, he bought a laptop. It is called a complete sentence. In this whiteboard, That is why if we want to exclude a brand new, there is no problem to indicate a complete sentence here, because subject he brought, principal verb a laptop, object. That is why it will be counted, the word brand new will be also modifiers. Okay, modifiers. Modifier, I told you, modifier means given extra information. In my previous class I told you what is modifiers. Okay, and next, second classification, determines. Determiners and demonstrative. Determiners and demonstrative. At first you have to know the exact definition of determiners and demonstrative. If you find here a and the, it's called here the portion of article. The article is the another name of determiner, and in most cases you will have to explain the a or n or the anyone, the part of determiners. And if you not be able to indicate a meaningful sentence after applying a, n or the, then you may apply some, each, one, no, many, and dot dot words. Okay, and at first you have to express the part of article. It's called the determiner, a, n or the anyone, and you have to careful about the definition of determiners. Then you may apply here the another words here, some, each, one, no, many, dot 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 one. Then you will be able to apply a meaningful sentence here. Okay, and now I am telling you some words of demonstrative. Write down. Demonstrative words are these, this, this, these, these, another that, those, those. Okay, here these and these, that and those, it is called singular word. It is called here the plural, and that is called the singular, and those is also called here the plural form. Okay, and this indicates in a nearby situation. It will indicate it the singular one here, singular, and this will be also applied here in a plural form. Okay, that indicates the far away item here, then it will be counted as the singular, and those will be also counted here as the plural. Okay, and I am giving an example by the help of these determiners and demonstrative. Here the question setter will give you use determiner. Determiner. as pre-modify the noun. There will be a bracket to you. Use determiner. Use determiner as pre-modify the noun. Here, girl has been given a noun. That is why according to the noun, we will have to apply here the determiner. And what is the function of determiner? What is the key point of determiner? We know well that a, n or the anyone, we will try to apply firstly a or n or the. Here we may apply from the part of article or determiner, the girl. Inside the gap we may apply the girl. Looks pretty. The girl here, if we apply just only the, then we may find here the complete sentence, that is called the girl looks pretty. That is why it has been expressed a complete sentence. Okay, and I am giving another example by the help of demonstrative. Okay, dash pen writes well today. Dash. Here inside the gaps it may be given the instruction here, the use determiner. Demonstrative. Use demonstrative. Use demonstrative as pre-modify the noun here. Here pen is given here the noun formation. That is why in the previous noun we will apply here the part of demonstrative. Here you have to be careful in the noun formation. Here pen indicates singular, pen indicates singular number. That is why we will apply singular demonstrative, and we know singular demonstrative here THIS. According to the position of noun, we will apply here the singular. If you find here the singular noun, then we will have to apply here the singular demonstrative word. Okay, and if we find here the plural noun, then we will also apply here the plural demonstrative word, and we know this indicates a singular demonstrative word, and THESE, this also indicates a plural noun formation here. That is why what will be the right demonstrative word? We know THIS. This pen, it has given only one pen. How many pen here? The only one pen. That is why THIS will be suitable to express a meaningful sentence. Okay, and I am giving the another example by the help of demonstrative, especially the plural demonstrative word. Dish. Mangoes are green. Green. And what will be the demonstrative word here? Tell me. Use demonstrative words, or demonstrative as pre-modify the noun. According to the noun, and noun will be given just after bracket or after indication word here. Okay, that is why mangoes, not mango. And if you find mangoes, then we may call the plural formation here as noun. And inside the box, it has been an instruction use demonstrative as pre-modify the noun here. Not mangoes indicates in the plural. That is why instead of this, we will certainly apply here thesc. Why? Mangoes indicates in the plural. That is why, right, demonstrative word will be these. This indicates the plural. That is why according to the plural noun, we have already applied same plural as demonstrative words. Okay, and write down the another classifications of pre-modified the noun or pre-modifiers item. Quantifiers as pre-modify the noun or adjective or verb. Quantifiers as pre-modifier. And before our discussion regarding quantifiers, we have to know what is the exact meaning of quantifiers. Quantifiers indicates the amount, any particular topic here. It is related to person or other things. Quantifiers is called amount, and it has some words. It has some words to indicate the quantifiers. And write down many or 1, 2, 3, 4, any numerical word, or many, some, few. If lot of, a lot of, 1, 2, 3, many, some, few, a lot of, much, and so many words here. 1, 2, 3, many, some, few, little, a little, a much, a lot of, etc. will be, if you find here the any one in this sentence from them, then it will be counted as the definition of quantifiers. In your modifiers item, it may be given here that I am indicating you. People in our country are poor and illiterate. May be given here inside the instruction. Use quantifiers. Use quantifiers as pre-modify the noun or pre-modify the word. Okay, and use quantifiers dash if you find in this passage regarding the some people or many people or a lot of people, then according to the information of your given passage, you will have to use the correct form of modifiers as quantifiers. Okay, And if you find here a lot of people, then inside the box a lot of will be certainly applied here to indicate a complete meaningful sentence. And if you find some people according to the given specific passage, then you are bound to apply the word some indicating a meaningful sentence. And you have to bear in mind that it will only depend on the sequence of your specific passage. According to the information of the passage, you are bound to follow the instruction. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pray for me.